Hello, my dear little buddies. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I am your Anita ma'am. Today we will learn about pre-number concept before. Before means pehle. Let's start. So children, what is before? Let me tell you. Before refers to a numbers that comes immediately earlier in a sequence or order. For example, 1 comes before 2. Number 1 number 2 से पहले आता है. 1 then 2. And here is an example where number 1 comes. Number 1 comes before number 2. Okay? Number 1 number 2 से पहले आता है. And where's number 11 comes? Number 11 comes before number 12. Number 12. Next, here are some examples. Where's number 1 comes? Number 1 comes before number 2. Then, where's number 3 comes? Number 3 comes before number 4. Okay? And last, where's number 5 comes, children? Number 5 comes before number 6. Okay? And here is another example. Children, where's number 3 comes? Number 3 comes before number 4. Number 3 number 4 से पहले आता है. And where's number 4 comes? Number 4 comes before number 5. Number 4 number 5 से पहले आता है. Next, where's number 17 comes? Number 17 comes before number 18. Then, where's number 18 comes? Number 18 comes before number 19. Okay?
Now it is classwork time. Let's solve the question.
Now, it's quiz time. What comes before? Tell me. Very good. What comes before 29? Very good, children. 28. Next, what's come before 40? Very good. Number 39. Good job. And the last, what's come before number 13? Correct. Number 12. Good job, children.
Do it yourself. Now it is worksheet time. Kids to practice what they have learned now. Parents can download the worksheet from the link provided in the description below. After completing the worksheet, the same needs to be mailed at edu@udayankidz.com. Our academic team will review and return the checked sheet to the same email ID.
I hope you all are enjoying this video. See you in next class. Bye-bye, children. Take care.
watch part 2 and 3 for complete learning of before, after and between, including assignment download.
Let's make learning fun for everyone. Like, share and subscribe Udayan Kids.